TradeView TraderPro. How to place an order using the OCO order entry. Software tutorial.
This video tutorial will discuss placing orders using the OCO order entry. To place an OCO order, go to Menu Bar, Trading, then Order Tickets, and select OCO. First, for Leg 1, choose a side by selecting Buy or Sell in the drop-down list. Then, enter the symbol. Select the order type and price, if applicable. You can click the buttons below to quickly fill out the corresponding sides and order types. There are 4 choices: Buy Stop or Limit, or press F3 on the keyboard. Sell Stop or Limit, or press F4. Buy or Sell Stop, or press F5. And Buy or Sell Limit, or press F6. Next, for Leg 2, choose a side from the drop-down list. Then, enter the order type and price if applicable. The symbol field will be populated from Leg 1. In the section called Order Specs, choose your order quantity by either typing in a number or selecting from the drop-down list. Next, choose the duration for the order in the flag drop-down list. Once all order details have been entered, click Transmit to place the order. Confirm the order details and press OK. If you want to discard order details and start over, click New Order.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.